Hey guys, want to get a chance to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is be a subscriber to this channel, hit the like button, and type the code word that will pop up somewhere in this video. And once I reach 7,000 subscribers, I will randomly pick the comment with the code word, and that person will win the free money. So if you want to get a chance to win some free money today, hit that subscribe button. Now let's get into this video. You have tuned in to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you this brand new app that pays PayPal money daily. And you can get paid 20 cents every click. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And for every 1,000 new subscribers I receive, I give away free money. So do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like. It really helps out my channel, and it helps out this video to be seen by more people on YouTube. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions. Any questions all about what I'm talking about today in this video. Now guys, please watch this video all the way to the very end, because a code word is going to pop up somewhere in this video. As soon as you see that code word, type it down in the comments below. It's going to help you increase your chances of winning the free money once I reach 7,000 subscribers, which will happen any day now. Now, without further ado, let me hop over here to this site and show you this method. Let's grind and let's get it. All right, guys, I'm at this website. The name of this website is Entire Web. So to get here, you go to entireweb.com. So this is a search engine website and has more than 9 million users from 190 countries worldwide. So what you're going to do when you come to this website, you're going to click right here and you're going to go to affiliate. And it's going to take you to this page right here. Now, this is how you're going to make money. So earn up to 20 cents for every click. Get paid for every visitor you refer to our free search engine submission service. And you're going to click right here to create an account. So what are you going to be doing, guys, is referring people to your affiliate link. Once they click on it and they visit this site under your name, you're going to get paid for every click they make, even when they do any type of searches. So let's just scroll down here and learn a little bit more. So get paid for every click. We'll pay you for all clicks you generate. You can earn up to 20 cents per visitor. High conversion rate. You'll be promoting a free search engine submission service with a very high conversion rate. Everyone can join. Anyone, anywhere with any type of site can join this program and start earning money within minutes. And it's easy to start within minutes. From sign up, you'll be up and running and have started to earn money from your traffic. So guys, if you have a website already, you can embed your link with a banner on your website. And when you click that banner, go to this site, sign up and everything, you're going to get paid. Now let's just scroll down to here and learn a little bit more. So how does it work? A visitor clicks on your affiliate banner or link on your site or in an email. We'll pay you both for the first initial click, but also if the visitors goes through the process. The program is powered by Pro Affiliate Pro, the leading affiliate tracking software. Pro Affiliate Pro makes sure that all referrals and sales are tracked correctly. The process is fully automated. All your clicks, visitors will be properly tracked. So you're going to get paid when your visitors visit this site from your link, and they go through the whole process. You're going to get paid for every click. Now, we already know how much you're going to be earning, so let's look on here where it says, how and when will I be paid? So we pay our affiliates by PayPal, and it's at the end of each month for the previous month. All payments are US dollar, and the minimum payout is $50. And of course, you need to have PayPal, so they're going to ask for your PayPal address so you can get paid. So you're probably saying to yourself, guys, this sound good and everything's sound like you can make some good money on here, but where are you going to get the traffic from? So what I'm going to do is show you two sources where you'll be able to drive traffic to your link and start getting paid. So let me go to the first source. Okay, guys, I'm on Facebook, and I went to this group. The name of this group is called Make Money Online Club. So on here, people advertise whatever they want to advertise to try to make some money. So they're advertising links about all type of making money opportunities. And that's what, since this is a making money opportunity, you can be able to put your link on this site. Now, you don't want to just put the link and that's it. You need to say something, and you need to entice them to click the link. So you can say this. You can say, check out this website. It's free to start. Always put it's free to start. It's free to start, and you can make money for every click. So you can say something like that, and that'll get people to click on your link. Now, let me go to the second source that you can use to drive traffic to your link. Okay, guys, I'm at the next website, and this is the second source you can use to drive traffic. So it's called Hercules Plus. So no limits, advertise to thousands daily, free. And all you can do is just put the link right here, or the website right here. So if you have a website and you have a banner on the website promoting your link, you can put that right here. You just click right here to get started. So it's been around for 20 years. They do email and web marketing, 100% real traffic. They have power tools, free power tools, and you can also earn money on here if you want to invite people to this website to make money. You get 50% commission. So it's mobile friendly, increase activity, and they have all new marketing tools. So it's free to join. So if you want to drive traffic, this is the website you need to come to. So go to HerculesPlus.com, sign up, and start driving that traffic to your link. All right, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me and help me to get at least 20 likes. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about this method. And please share this video all around the internet, because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online and become financially free. And last but not least, please hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that notification bell, because I make videos like this every other day. Okay, guys, one more thing I want to do before I end this video. I like to do shout outs. And the way I do shout outs is I randomly pick a comment and I flash it on the screen. So today's shout out goes to this person right here. Thank you for your comment. Really appreciate your support. Keep watching my videos. If you're sharing them, keep sharing them. Keep hitting that like button and help this channel to grow. Alright, guys, that's it. One more thing before I go. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. Please go check out these other videos until my next one come out. Peace and have a prosperous day.